On Wednesday, March 19, 2025, we're going to become really practical. We're going to talk about executive functioning skills. We're going to talk about three different skill sets that I've identified over the years that I design and divide and conquer when I'm looking at different executive functioning skills. We're definitely going to be focusing on organization and planning. We're going to look at working memory and attention. We're going to be looking at emotional regulation, emotional inhibition. All of these are crucial functions that we need to be able to function fully in a school classroom, in a peer group, in a social circumstance. These are skills that we almost just plan for kids to have when they enter school. The problem is, then they don't. It needs to develop in the early years of life. But what if there are developmental delays and gaps and things that's causing attention never to get where it needs to be? Let's discuss this together, providing you assessment ideas, intervention ideas, and a framework in which you can operate from. I will see you there.